Olympic track star Usain Bolt is using his foundation in order to assist 21 rural schools as it relates to the whole pandemic and delivering educations to many students that are in need during this difficult time. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the Links W7 TV family. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links W7 TV. Let's talk. We hope that you're doing fine as always. So, what we have to discuss on the program today is Olympic track star Usain Bolt doing a kind gesture using his foundation through the Early Childhood Commission to assist 21 rural schools and giving them some form of aid and assistance in helping them during this difficult time of the whole pandemic itself. So what Usain Bolt decides to do is to spend $2.2 million in assisting those needy schools. And we're about now to just listen to what he have to say about the whole entire situation.
Hi everyone, I'm Usain Bolt. As you know, my foundation is focused on younger kids, especially in the rural area. Now I've joined with Early Childhood Commission to identify 21 schools in the rural areas to give printers and other necessities for learning. I know it's a trying time and it's hard for kids in the rural area, so we're trying our best to help out in any possible way. So I just want to say to the young kids that remember, I know it's hard, but continue working hard, continue pushing, and remember, anything is possible, don't think limits.
So that was Olympic track star Usain Bolt, now retired from the sport itself. So sad to see that he had to leave the sport so early, but I can tell you that he still continues to let his voice be heard, and also his talent and his skill will still forever rest on the minds and hearts of many. So as you heard there, Mr. Bolt could be heard saying that he planned on donating computers and also printers to schools just in order to assist them in their development, and also this is just for the younger students, and 21 rural schools have been chosen so far in order to assist this aid. So the Usain Bolt Foundation has committed to providing 2.2 million in support for 25 early childhood institutions in rural areas amidst the global pandemic. So the funds will assist teachers with intervention with parents, while children at home will be able to get some sort of assistance as well. So these are just in order to help them with papers, hand washing and sanitary things as well, and also printing devices as well. So the track star is one of a number of celebrities that have turned out so far just in order to assist needy children as well. Buju Banton did a donation recently to a early childhood home, or a home, I believe it was not an early childhood home. I think it was a home for individuals at risk as well. And I believe that Shensia also made some kind of donation of 100 tablets as well. So a number of people have so far been doing their thing and is trying their very best to see how well they can assist people during this difficult time, which is very good. And I want to take my platform and use my platform as a medium of just commending these superstars in the manner in which they're articulating themselves and trying to just assist people as much as possible, because with this global pandemic and with the whole online school, as you know, a number of children is finding it very difficult in order to access the right and requisite educations from these platforms, based on the fact that some of these schoolworks are being uploaded online, and some of the children, they don't have access to internet, they don't have access to these electronic devices as well, just in order to access their healthcare. So Mr. Bolt decided that he will provide in some form of assistance to them, since she has done so far by providing tablets to a number of students as well, 100 in total, which is a whole lot and a massive help to the government. The government as well has decided that they would roll out their pilot project of distributing tablets to students as well. We're not sure when that will be on stream, but as it stands right now, the country is just trying its best just in order to see how well they can continue with the education of our students. And many of them are finding it extremely hard, especially the parents. So any assistance right now is welcome in this regard. But thanks to Usain Bolt for doing this kind gesture. Much respect goes out to him. This has been a bold move from him, and it's not the first time that he has done something such as this. We've seen Usain Bolt being working under the cover, and he has been doing a number of initiatives such as these just in order to aid in the development of our country and also to aid in the development of the young minds of our future generation. So this is very good. And anyone else want to come on board, just try your very best to see what you can do as well, just in order to assist these children, because you see the struggles that the parents are facing with during this difficult time, and you see the situation that many of them have with low access to internet, can't able to access these requisite devices in order to use to aid in their lessons as well. And we have seen how some of these online classes have been playing out online. Some people don't have access to phones, they don't have access to tablet computers and so forth. So whatever you can do as a star or as a celebrity or just as a general individual out there, try your very best to see how well you can assist these students, because most of them, they are very much in need of this level of assistance. And it was just so good to see Mr. Bold trying his best in order to assist 21 rural schools in this aid, and I must commend him for doing that. So I believe we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links to Blossom TV. Let's talk. Signing out for one more. Please remember, like, subscribe to the channel for more to come. Peace out. Bless.